Hi everyone, my name is Aditya and you are watching TechPet Cook. So today in this video, I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy M02, which is the new release from Samsung. So let's start unboxing. So this is the box of Samsung Galaxy M02. There is a branding of Samsung and the picture of the phone. At the left side there is a branding of Galaxy. So now coming to the back, there are some specification mentioned like Infinity V display, 13 megapixel camera, 5000 mAh battery. So now let's open the box. First we'll be getting the phone. Then comes the documentation, quick start guide, warranty card and the SIM ejection tool. Charging brick with 7.5 watt with a micro USB cable. That is the box content. Now coming to the look of the Samsung Galaxy M02. It comes with the textured ridges design. The color variant which I'm having is blue. The color variants for M02 comes with black, grey, blue and red. Now checking on the Samsung Galaxy M02. On the right we'll be getting the power on button and the volume rockers. On the left side we'll be getting the dual nano SIM card tray with the dedicated micro SD card. Nothing can be found at the top. At the bottom we'll be getting the speaker grill, micro USB port, microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back we'll be getting a dual camera with the textured ridges design and the Samsung branding. Now coming to the display, we have 6.5 inch with Infinity V display. The display is very nice for its price. Coming to the performance, it comes with the MediaTek 6739 processor. There are two variants for the Samsung Galaxy M02. The variants are 2GB 32GB and the 3GB 32GB, and the storage can be expandable up to 1TB using a micro SD card. The battery comes with 5000 mAh with 7.5 watt charger. Now coming to the camera, it comes with dual camera with 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel, selfie with 5 megapixel. Now check out the sample shots. The Android running on this device is Android 10. The OS used is One UI, which is good. So now coming to the price of Samsung Galaxy M02, there are two variants, 2GB 32GB and the 3GB 32GB. The cost of 2GB is 6799 and the cost of 3GB is 7299. So this is my unboxing video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get the regular notification from my channel. So see you soon in the next video. Bye.